Okay, so this is your video on sending your keychain to the printer. So you're going to go to Polar Cloud. Polar Cloud is where you are able to send your things to the printer. So you're going to click sign in, and you're going to click sign in with Google. And I have already uploaded your accounts in here. So you can see all sorts of stuff here. Look around. You can see there's our printers that you have access to. So you have access to 4 printers currently. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Tinkercad and you have up your keychain. So Ms. Greer has already graded this. It's already good to go. And then you're going to click export. And you want to make sure everything in the design is selected. You're going to click 3D print. And you are going to click Polar Cloud. And then it says leaving Tinkercad, your design is on the way. We need to click continue. So we are now going to Polar Cloud. It's doing the pass off or the handoff as they call it. And sometimes it takes a little bit. Sometimes you might have to do this a couple times. It all depends on how fast the internet is at that time. So we are now in Polar Cloud. We're gonna click 3D print and you wanna click open slicer. Because you have direct access to the printers, you are going to slice and print the job on your own. What that means is you will put it in line to the printer. I will be the one to actually tell it when to start printing. But you are going to open slicer. And we're going to click on our object, and there's some buttons up here. But what we care about is we are making sure this is all on the print bed. And then we're going to go to settings. So you're going to make sure it says 15%. The shell thickness is how many layers on the outside, so how thick it is. We're going to choose 2. Resolution is the middle, and you can see resolution is the thickness of each layer of print. Thicker layers mean shorter time, thinner layers mean high details. We just go with the middle. Platform adhesion is how we stick it to the print bed, and we want a skirt because you don't have anything overhanging and it's not very detailed. Support type, if we have things overhanging or sticking out, you need supports, but we don't have any of that, so we're going to click none. So we've all got all that. Now up here at the top, these are our printers. So you have A, B, C, and D. And if you look at the board, this is where you're going to choose the color. So on my whiteboard, I have examples. So like printer A is printing in red, printer B is printing in like a blue-yellow combo thing, printer C is light blue, and printer D is dark blue. So you choose whatever color you want. I'm going to go with D for right now. And then you click print. And once you do that, it's putting it into the line of the printer. So you can see here's the printer. I chose D. It's offline because it's turned off because it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then you can see the printer or the keychains in the line down here. You can always remove your job. For example, I did this twice because the first time I recorded the video it didn't have a microphone. So I'm going to remove it because I don't want to print it twice. But you're done. Other than submitting on code.org that you did this, you're done. Not code.org, my bad. Canvas. I take over from there. You can't control the heating or anything like that. It's all me. So, happy printing.